information regarding this abduction, call the Waxahachie Police Department at 469-309-4400. News media point of contact is Waxahachie Police Department at 469-309-4563. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.
They didn't tone it!
Today and Saturday overnight in the 100 to 110 degree range in heat indices up to 100.
They didn't tone it. They didn't tone it. They didn't even tone it. How the hell did I get that? They didn't even tone it.
In the 10. Tonight, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly clear. Up to 113 degrees. Excessive heat warning. Wednesday night is expected over the next 7 days.
My lucky ass just got that. I don't know how the hell I did it. But I just captured that. They didn't even tone it and I managed to capture it. Holy shit.